like they supposed to be fast. Like, what's up with this one? Oh my God.
If you think I'll cross and take my mans out, just kill yourself. In the trenches, 40 on my hip, I had to fix my...
Okay, rallies. So we got a new sport that I never even heard of before. Every time I think of rallies, I think of this right here. But checkers. Yeah. Every time I think of rallies, I think of checkers.
Best fries in the world, no cap.
Oh, for real. And the milkshake.
$1 fries.
The milkshakes is okay.
They said $1 fries. I'm got a banana milkshake.
What? Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Is he doing a stunt? What the heck is happening? Is this a movie? Wait a minute, Jordan. Is he crashing?
Crashed out.
Oh! Where the freak that come from?
What?
Wait. Wait a minute. Can y'all slow down? What, you finna run into a tree? Ooh!
Slow down.
Why he going so... Wait, stop, Jordan. This is in the snow. Wait, he whipping that bit. Hold on, he whipping that bit. Where'd he come from? Wait, no, that was kind of OC. I ain't gonna cap. That's how fast I pulled up the Ruby crib.
Stop. Shit.
That dude think he OC and Fast and Furious.
Okay, what's up with all these tight ass roads?
No, for real though. Can they?
That.
Alright. Take your hair. What the heck?
Bro, to a shed,
bro, where the polar bears at?
Ran to the cross,
wait,
boy.
Is this illegal? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Bro, come on. They would go camping.
Bro, what, he drifted in the air?
Wait a minute. How the freaking wait? How did he not crash that? His junk was turning the whole time, Jordan.
Wait, what?
How was he still? Well, he just got off the air and he came off jumping. Wait, what the heck is this? I thought he was playing Flappy Bird.
Boy.
Oh wait, chill out, fool. Jordan. If you make one wrong step, you're gonna be in the freaking bottom of the ocean.
Wait, hold on a second. Go back. Why did that shit move on them curves? Go back again. Why did the car look like it wasn't even turning?
The heck? It looked like he was on a Hot Wheel track or something. What the heck? Bro, why is he in freaking... This dude is in Antarctica drifting. Wait, why he get out of there like nothing happened?
Slow down,
oh my God,
boy.
wait a minute. This is so dangerous though, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, if you able to drive in this, you able to drive in any condition. I ain't gonna cap. Cause what? I didn't even know it was a way to get out of there. Oh my God, boy. Wait, how's he still going? Did he not just run into a tree?
This was a small tree though.
Oh, I was gonna say. Bro, this just gotta be on purpose, but they running all through humps and jump. Like, what if a deer just run out of nowhere up there?
Boy.
God, oh my. This is
what
not.
This nigga said whoops.
Why is he not panicking?
Slow down, bro.
All I see is dust in the back of his car. Bro, does he want to fall off the mountain? Oh, this is like F1, but like crash out worthier. This is F1 without the auto. Like, I don't know, bro. Like, where is he driving at? That's literally like it's somewhere in GTA where Trevor live or something, dog. What the fuck? Where did this start? Wait.
I thought he was floating in the air, dog.
Chill out.
Oh
my God. What happened? Was it a pole? What's fucking? Oh, this sponsored by Red Bull, so this is something like a. Okay. Wait, what? That was kind of clean. I ain't gonna cap.
Boy, how about be smarter?
Wait, so is it racist though? Like, I'm trying to figure out. Wait, how did he catch his notebook? Is he mic'd up? Is he that used to being inside the car? He gonna catch his notebook like that? Good to see y'all. Y'all got a good setup though. Been watching since reacting to Bruce Lee. Super tough.
Appreciate that.
Appreciate the love, bro. Wait, hold on. He said do reaction on basketball before rules was invented. What? Wait, what do you mean? Hold on. Look it up. What are you talking about? What the heck? What are you talking about though? Like, I don't understand. They got videos like that? I thought videos wasn't in the wait. That shit was fast as freak. Don't think he cruising in the Tesla or something, bro. What the heck? You're not worried about nothing. These cars don't look like they're supposed to be fast. Like, let's up for this one. Oh my God. Goodness. Okay, alright. Wait, what? Get out of there in 2 seconds. Like, that car don't look like it was fast.
Oh, no, it look bad.
Oh my God, boy.
How about slow the freaking
Check it.
down?
That got videos like they got videos like that before rules. Alright, bro. I wonder what the niggas could be doing.
What somebody else come behind? Oh, right there.
Wait, but is it like races or is it racing by itself?
It's like a time trial?
It might be. Was that a Toyota he was driving? A Toyota push like that? That's a Ford. Oh my God. It's like as soon as he passed the camera, it's like it's out of there.
I didn't get to see what brand that car was.
I know that's the Shell gas station.
What's that?
Wait, what the hell? Is that an Uber driver car?
Toyota.
That look a DoorDash car or something. Oh my God. Boy thought he was OC.
Why they don't take it off so quick though?
He just got out the wreck.
I'm trying to at least like breathe.
Wait, is that a house right there?
For real.
Imagine you wake up and a car just in your house, dog. Because he flipped it and jumped out.
Oh, he tried to
Wait,
be
hold
slow.
on.
He
Wait,
gotta
wait,
be OC.
wait, hold on real quick. Get busy.
I mean, the African jungle
No,
man?
for real, bro. Think he a Lion King. How the freak, bro, was Simba and John? What the heck is it?
Oh shit.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait. Oh, goodness.
Like imagine driving by, bruh, and you
Yeah,
got
wait,
dirt
what?
all in your face and eyes and shit when somebody
Bro,
driving by.
I'll
Look
bug
at
up,
this.
bro.
Look at this.
Oh, hecky no, bro. You in the back. Why they so close though? That's not, bro. That's not
That's
even safe.
smart.
That's not safe at all, bro. That's no type of safe, boy. Oh, gosh. This low-key might be harder than F1 drive.
Yeah, no, it is. Just
Look at what in the world?
No.
And he actually, F1 drivers don't drive in ice. These niggas drive in the ice.
Ice, dirt, tight roads, tight turns,
They
trees
make the
around.
camera-
Like, look at
What the
this.
heck is this, dog?
Wet rain roads and shit. No.
Wait, whoa, what type of inside is that? Why you like you can't even see niggas out there? Bro, they going somewhere right now. They were trying to be there right now.
What the freak?
Wait a minute, is a helicopter racing them? I was gonna say. What the heck? Wait, what in the bro? Look at the road. Why was it looking like that? When does the race end? The cameraman looks to be in OC right now. Come on, helicopter report. Wait, what get busy?
What? What? No. Oh.
Yeah, there's no way that's getting out of there. There's no way that's getting out of there.
I thought it was
man.
gonna keep falling, dog. Oh, he's over. R.I.P. bro.
Dang, he's got to the finish line that quick. Wait, what? They're not slowing down when they get to a turn, though. That's the thing. What?
Okay, this is a residential area. Look,
Come on, dog. Come on,
look.
dude. He's messed up somebody's farm.
Like, come on, bruh. See.
And the house owner
shit.
came out with
What
him.
the
Okay. They
Why
didn't
don't
turn-
we turn this over?
Wait, they didn't that one turn on GTA?
I don't trust this. It's too many trees.
Oh my god, wait. I'm scared, bro. That camera ain't working. Don't worry. I don't like this POV angle. Oh my god, wait a minute, hold on. Oh, he almost
Oh! He did the Chris Brown.
Wait, okay, he alive. Yeah, that's what he said. I wonder only what crazy crashes are happening inside this. I know it been some crazy jump. There's no way. What type of license do you have to be in this? Oh, see, that's how he was freaking driving in front of a rock.
Oh, both people
What
got
type of
a break.
What the heck?
Are those
Was
kids?
that Kevin De Bruyne?
Was those kids, dog?
No way. Oh, he looked like a Kevin De I thought this was a kid dang near. This kid and his dad? Like, what the heck? He driving with his dad because he under age?
They still want to keep watching. They still want to watch Christian Pulisic, dog.
We already watched Christian Pulisic.
Oh, God. Got the me.
Why are they mic them right on the gaming?
Heard you one time to the mob. Heard that you trying to get involved with it. Heard that you trying to come by.